What if I told you that your credit card limit is silently controlling your financial growth and you don't even realize it? Most people think their credit limit is fixed. They believe the bank decides everything, and that's it. But here's the truth. Your credit card limit can increase, and not just slowly, but faster than you think. There are people in the US right now who are doubling their credit limits in a few months, without changing their job, without earning more money, and without applying for new cards. So why are you still stuck? Stay with me, because today I'm going to show you exactly how to increase your credit card limit step by step. Let me tell you about Alex. Alex was a regular guy living in the United States. He had a credit card with a $1,000 limit. Every month, he used it for groceries, fuel, and small bills. But he always felt stuck. He couldn't make bigger purchases. His credit score wasn't improving much. And every time he checked his account, he felt limited. One day, Alex realized something important. It wasn't about earning more money. It was about using credit the right way. So he made a plan. And within 6 months, his credit limit increased from $1,000 to $5,000. Let's break down exactly what he did. First, you need to understand how banks think. Your credit limit is not random. Banks look at your payment history, your credit score, your income, your spending behavior. They ask one simple question. Can we trust this person with more credit? If the answer is yes, your limit increases. If the answer is no, you stay stuck. The biggest mistake people make is simple. They use their full credit limit. If your limit is $1,000 and you use $900 or more, the bank sees you as risky. It tells them you depend too much on credit. Instead, do this. Use only 30% to 40% of your limit. So for a $1,000 limit, keep your usage around $300 to $400. This is called credit utilization, and it's one of the most important factors. Now comes the most powerful step. Always pay your bill on time and in full. Not minimum payment, not late payment, full payment. Because from the bank's perspective, full payment equals responsible user. Minimum payment equals risky user. Alex followed this strictly. For 6 months, he never missed a payment, and that built strong trust. Here's what most people don't know. You can ask for a credit limit increase. Yes, you don't have to wait. Go to your bank app or website, find the Increase Credit Limit option, and submit a request, or simply call customer support. But remember, don't do this too early. Wait at least 3 to 6 months of good usage. Another smart move, update your income with the bank. If your salary increased or you have extra income, tell your bank. Higher income equals higher repayment ability, and that increases your chances instantly. Your credit score plays a huge role. In the US, a score above 700 is considered good. Higher score equals higher trust. Higher trust equals higher limit. To improve your score, pay bills on time. Keep utilization low. Avoid too many applications. Over time, your score improves. Sometimes, you don't even need to ask. Banks automatically increase your limit, but only if you show consistent usage, on-time payments, low utilization. That's exactly what happened to Alex. He didn't request anything. The bank increased his limit automatically. Avoid these mistakes. Don't max out your card. Don't miss payments. Don't apply for too many cards. Don't ignore your credit score. These actions reduce trust and delay your progress. Here's a smart trick. Use your card multiple times in small amounts. Instead of one big transaction, do small transactions and pay them quickly. This shows active and responsible usage. Banks love this pattern. A higher credit limit is not just about spending more. It helps you improve your credit score, lower your utilization, handle emergencies, get better financial opportunities. So it's not about debt. It's about building a strong financial profile. So now you know the strategy. If you use your card wisely, pay on time, keep utilization low, maintain a good score, your limit will increase. Just like Alex, you can grow your limit faster than you think. The only question is, will you take action? If this helped you, subscribe for more, because in the next video, I'll show you how to boost your credit score fast.